How to get back archived posts on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and you can straight ahead tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now let's tap on any of the posts over here and let's archive them by tapping on three dotted lines and select on archive. So as you do that, you get to archive this post. Now if you want to get it back, what you simply need to do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Select on the archive option over here. Then here you can see the stories archive. Now if you want to retrieve or get back archived posts in Telegram, select on the post archive. So here you can see the post that you have archived. So simply select on that, tap on three dotted lines and then tap on show on profile. So you can simply select on show on profile and it will be restored. So you can just go back on your profile and after you refresh the page, you'll be able to see the post over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.